Welcome back to Unique Creations. Today I'm going to prepare some carrot oil. So what I've done thus far is, with the carrots, I've washed it and peeled and grated the carrots into small pieces here. And I let them set overnight because I want them to dry. I don't want any water on them because water and oil don't mix, and you don't want to set up where you have all that water in it. It can cause bacteria. So this is the carrot oil that I'll be using. Mine is avocado. You can use avocado, sweet almond oil, or coconut oil, or olive oil, but I chose avocado oil. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be infusing the oil. I'm going to combine the grated carrots with the carrot oil in this little jar here, a little small mason jar. Just make a little small jar, and I'm going to pour the oil on top of it till the carrots are fully submerged, and then I'm going to let it steep for about 2 weeks in a warm, dark place. And I'm going to be shaking it every now and then. You know, maybe every 2 days or so I'm going to be shaking so it can continue to infuse with the infusion process. And I'm going to do a second video, but if you guys don't catch the second video, what's going to happen in the second video, I'm going to strain the oil after steeping it, you know, for a couple of weeks. I'm going to, so I can separate the carrots from the oil. Then I'm going to store it. I'm going to put it back in the jar, and then I'm going to, once I strain it, and then I'm going to store the oil, but I'm gonna keep it in a dark, cool place. And you can add essential oils for fragrance, and I'm also gonna add some vitamin E drops in mine after the steeping process. So I have some vitamin E. I'm talking about drops. I have the capsules, so I am gonna be putting some drops from that in there. And as far as the carrot oil, it can be used in skincare for its potential benefits and skin lightening, hair growth, and overall. So you can might want to start using it once it's prepared, because it only lasts for up to maybe a couple of months. So I'm gonna get started. I done talked enough. So it's a jar, nice clean jar. Not graded too many. I just wanted to make a small jar right now. Okay, so I think this is enough to go in here for right now. This is the jar. Avocado oil. 100% pure avocado oil. So make sure that everything is under the oil and not on top. It needs to be submerged. Next, my lid here. The little mason jars are great. They seal in and keep the air out. And I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of weeks to steep. This is what it's looking like. If you want to make a larger jar, you can make a larger jar, depending on how many carrots you want to cut up. I might have cut up too many. I think I did. I'm sure I did. But this is the jar right here. This is the 4-ounce jar. This is the size I'm going to be making. And so I'm going to revisit this. I'll have another video, be part 2 of this, to show you guys what the oil looked like and what it can be used for. Thanks for watching. This is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the like, share, also subscribe button. I want to thank everyone for watching. It's a hot day today. Try to stay cool. Bye-bye.